Hello, hello, hello. So today I've taken delivery of my brand new camera to start my YouTube journey, having unsuccessfully tried other cameras. So I am going to be unboxing a Canon EOS R10. So the box arrived today. I've had to go out and finally here. So I am now about to unbox. So fragile, so I'm going to take good care. The box has got fragile, so I'm going to just take this outside of the box and carefully lift it. I wanted to do this without getting all these bits all over the place, but I'm going to just take it out and place it on the table. Okay, I'll move the box out of the way. So excited, look. Let me just reposition my camera. So, let's just take this one now. Had to go out this afternoon. I've been waiting with anticipation to come in and open the box. Right. So I'm just taking off the I also ordered a memory card or an SD card, so I'll have a look at that. I'm going to put that to one side. But here's the box. Let me just move the plastic out the way and I can show you the box. Let's see. EOS R10 with an RFS 18 to 45mm, f4.5 to 6.3 IS STM kit. So I'm about to open the box. Right, so let me switch on the light. Okay, so we've got picture, instruction book. I think I better sit down and read that. There's a strap underneath, the Canon strap, EOS R10. We've got this. I think this is the charging unit. Yep. Okay. Plug everything in. This Must be the battery. Right, in here, this will be the lens. So that's the unboxing of the lens, and then the piece de resistance. The Canon EOS R10. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see this camera in action right now, check out my sizzling spring set tutorial at the end of this video.